All right, so we can clearly see the vortex coming out, right? So now the question is, you get it fast enough that it can. Ooh, look at that! That's unexpected. Yeah. So definitely, if we had put the pump on, this would have gone crazy. Yeah. All right. Okay, this is a good first start. Oh, yeah. Spinning the tube. Boy, is that dancing in there. That's enough to wash that tubing clean. You know what? Let's put the pump on it just to see what happens. Even at the low flow, you can, it's still, yeah. Okay. You ready?
I want to get out of the way of that.
Is it recording?
Oh! Power.
Turn it off. Start! Actually, that's not bad. There's a lot of dancing going on in there. That is great. That is fucking great. That will definitely clean the oil off. Yeah, all right. Okay, good, good. I think we call that proof of concept.